Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all your post reviews on Facebook using the web version on your PC, especially after the latest update where things have been slightly rearranged. Let's get started step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open Facebook on your computer using any browser. Make sure you are logged into your account because all the options we need are inside your personal settings. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a more detailed control panel where Facebook keeps all your account-related tools. Now, on the left-hand side, find and click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a complete history of everything you've done on the platform. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand more options. Next, find and click on Posts. This section organizes everything related to your posts and interactions. After that, you will see the option for Reviews. Click on Reviews, and this is where you can view all your post reviews in one place. From here, you can scroll through your activity, check your reviews, and manage them if needed. That's it. This is the updated way to find all your post reviews on Facebook using a PC. If Facebook changes the layout again, the activity log is always the key place to check. Thanks for watching.